Ashik. Ashik, so explain how you would test a RESTful API with Cypress.
Okay, thank you. For the testing a RESTful API with Cypress involve the sending the HTTP request and the validating the response to ensure that the API endpoints functions correctly. In all of my project, I use Cypress to test a RESTful API by sending various HTTP requests like the GET, POST, PUT, DELETE to the endpoints. I also validate the response by checking the status codes, headers, and response bodies to ensure they meet the accurate criteria. Like if I give an example, like in my BA API, I hit an API like the add stuff, meaning I am adding a stuff to my admin panel. So for that, I hit the endpoint with the headers where I pass the admin token and I hit the post request in here. So after that, I validate that I'm getting the expected assertions like the status code, like the success message. Then I can also get the ID, which I will be using for more further execution of the APIs. So by doing this, it ensures the comprehensive coverage and more reliability to the APIs.
Got it.
Thank you.